ambience of the party is determined by the sound, and therefore the party doesn't seem to be the party until it has a good sound. And because of this, HYXON offers HTMS 605 portable Bluetooth speaker, which gives your party a fantastic atmosphere. The HTMS 605 is a high-end premium quality indoor and outdoor party Bluetooth speaker that features high-Wi FM Bluetooth radio and clear, powerful sound. It has a built-in lithium battery that can be recharged in just 4 to 5 hours and offers 5 hours of playback at 50% volume. Every Bluetooth device, including your mobile phone, laptop, iPhone or iPad, can be enabled with A2DP or AVRCP. Now let's look close to the product. On the top of the speaker, you will get all the specifications with the easy to touch and operate buttons. Number 1, mode button through which you can select the mode. Number 2, play, pause, forward button. Number 3, menu button. Number 4, volume button to decide the vibe. Number 5, light button to enable and disable the lights on the speaker. And number 6, power to on and off. With the help of the remote that comes with this incredible speaker, you can also control all the features by just a one touch. The best part is that it comes with the UHF Ultra technology microphone, which is utilized to record the sound from anywhere. HYXON offers a 1-year warranty because it understands how crucial consumer trust is. Together with the speakers, you also get charging cable, a user handbook, a microphone, a remote control. Bring HYXON HTMS 605 portable indoor and outdoor Bluetooth speaker and access the atmosphere of your gatherings.